Okay, welcome back. Let's go ahead and continue talking about how to use that easy step interview. This is going to be module 2 and we're in section 3, part 2. We're on the screen that asks about using accounts in QuickBooks. What's getting ready to happen is when I click next at the bottom, it's going to ask me first to select a date to start tracking my finances. If you purchase QuickBooks towards the end of the year, let's say October for example, it's up to you if you want to go back to the beginning of January or the beginning of your fiscal year and enter all the transactions that occurred. That could be a lot of work for you, but remember that the reports are only as accurate as the data that you have in QuickBooks. Your other option is to start with today's date or pick a date you'd like to start with. If you were starting in October, I would say get out your September bank statement and its ending date, let's say it's September 30, then use October 1 as the beginning of your QuickBooks file. You can always enter something prior to that date, but it just has to have a date to start with. I'm going to pick the beginning of the fiscal year and go ahead and click Next. Here is where it asks you to review your income and expense accounts. Based on how you answered all of the questions in the Easy Step interview, it's created this generic set of accounts for you. You can look down this list, and if you decide that you use subcontracted services, for example, you can check it. If you decide there's something you don't need, then you can uncheck it. We are going to spend a little bit of time on this here shortly, so you might want to go ahead and leave it for now and just click Next at the bottom. And it's going to say, congratulations, you've completed the Easy Step interview. Now I'm going to click Go to Setup. You're about 85% finished at this particular point. There's still some things you need to set up, but you could start using it right now. These are some things that it suggests you go ahead and spend the time to set up. You will have to add the people you do business with. Those are your customers, products and services, and your bank accounts. We're just going to go ahead and use the X at the top of that window and close it out, and that's going to take us back to our QuickBooks desktop or home screen. They also have this new feature tour, and we've talked a little bit about the new features already. So if you don't want to see the tour, you can click the X and get out of it, and then you'll be on your home screen. That's pretty much going to wrap up how the Easy Step interview works. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and start talking a little bit about what we call the My Company overview. So I will see you shortly in section 4.